glad you told me 100% I wouldn't have to go back down that.
Uh-oh, shit.
Now.
Another climb.
Oh, okay, great.
Not as bad as the last one.
I think you got it.
I'm clear. You know if you're good. Still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. I said, let me know if you're good. Dead silence.
Yeah, I'm good.
There we go, buddy. Back up on top. There is just no getting this front end up at all, bro. Oh, golly, bro.
Oh my gosh. Where are you taking us, Armel?
Oh, hopefully back to the highway.
So he thinks.
Little mini Campbell's Creek, dude.
Yeah. Oh my God, that was deep. Don't go right back there. Oh, I'm gonna sink this thing.
Jeez. If I had I wish I could go back and like use AI to scan all my videos and get all the times you said, "Oh my God, that was deep." And I just play it all of them together would be epic.
Newest bike I've ever had. Like, you're trying to get me to sink it today.
Oh my God, bro. I gotta get a front tire. Whoa.
You go left? Oh, okay.
Nothing up there.
I mean, there's nothing out here either?
There's mud holes.
Oh, okay.
Oh God, bro, that looks deep.
Yeah, I don't know. You got anything on the map, like where we're at?
My phone's like not far from dying.
Yeah. I mean, you called 911 like 8 times. I can see why.
Yep.
You've pretty much been on the phone with 911 since we left.
Yeah, we are almost back to the trailhead. The trailhead's right there.
Oh, okay.
Right? Yeah.
I don't know. I got mine put away.
If we keep going straight, it takes us right into where we started, the first trail we started on.
Okay.
But, like, yeah, I don't know. We'll probably need to go just a little bit further and we'll pop out somewhere. If we backtrack now, it's going to take us forever to get out of here.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Oh my God. Lean the other way, bro.
Oh, this tired. I'm skating.
Oh no. Oh shoot. Whoa. This one might be kind of tough for you, dude. Oh God.
Yeah.
I don't know how deep it is. It may just be where somebody's went through it, but I think if you stay close to the hillside, you'll be okay.
I was thinking that, but it's kind of like all the water's laying there, right? I don't know. Maybe not.
Well, worst case, if you go against the hillside, and if you start falling, you just lay it against the hillside and you're done. If you start falling in the middle, you're gonna fall over. That wasn't bad.
Okay.
Yeah, I tried to tell you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So we're going down. Hope you're ready. Oh shoot! Good grief! You see that?
Yeah.
Oh my God, bro. Yeah, you always say we're just going for a chill ride today.
Brought a single track and bus. I feel like I just shifted seasons coming down through here.
I know,
Like
isn't it cool?
80-degree summer day right there.
Yeah, and into like a pine forest.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh. You can go around it to the right, both of them.
Oh my God.
Oh. Oh, it's got to drop us out somewhere.
Your map's updated?
My maps? Oh, shit. I started looking down at my phone when you said that.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, we're still pretty close to the other trail. Bro, this is Jeep and side-by-side stuff. Oh, shoot. Okay. Back down to a road. Just see which way we need to go here. I don't know, I think we can go either direction, and it's going to take us. Any preference?
I don't know. What do you think on the map? Does it show anything?
It looks about
Can't
the
tell.
same. But, I mean, the big road we were on is right over there, so it's like,
Yeah.
it goes all the way, wraps all the way around this way, so I think we can go either way and hit it.
All right.
But that way looks more worn. Oh. How's that 690 doing on stuff like this?
Man, just in the car, I think that'd be good. I think it'd be fun. It's just one to skate still, but yeah. Power feels good and smooth. Suspension feels pretty good. I mean, suspension's better than anything I've had, so.
Nice.
I just get my tire selection together and good shape.
Yeah. Whoa! Shoo!
Like have a big skid plate of some sort.
Yeah.
The rock sections we can always get into.
Can never go wrong with protection.
Yeah. I think these tires just like they clog up so fast.
Yep. That's what happens to those Shinko 244s with my DR, man. And
Yeah.
once they do, it's over.
Yeah.
Remember that day out at Campbell's Creek? We were in the mud?
Yeah.
I think you were on your WR.
Yeah.
That was, oh my god, man, I was barely making it.
I had like a fresh tire on the back.
This front is getting changed this week. There's a downhill trail going somewhere. That's how all these trails filled at the other two. Like, this would be like a green. This would be like one of the green main loops on the trailhead.
Yeah.
And they just feel like they go on forever, man. Even us on the 300s traveling them like really fast. They seem like they go on forever. So I couldn't imagine like driving them slow in the mud on these things or in a Jeep.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, we already came by this, right? Haven't we already been on this road? Yeah. But we're back on the main road. Remember that climb?
Oh, yeah. That's where you stopped and crossed the ditch down here, wasn't it?
Yeah. Plus, I can see our tracks.
That helps. See, mom just like passing everywhere.
Yep.
I feel like I'm going to gear this down a little bit too. Yeah, first is pretty tall.
Yep. Well, I wasn't able to really memorize where anything went. But I do know that there is a ton of stuff out here, and we could ride dual sports out here probably for a long time.
Yeah.
Trying to learn this place, and that's awesome because it really is kind of like the closest place we got.
Right. Yeah, for not much farther than we had to ride out. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
So that loop I showed you at Campbell's Creek, if you follow, if I was going to zoom out, show you another picture, but they're jumping on right there and just making a huge loop. There's like must be a backwoods loop through there. From what I could see, it was jumping into some of the other stuff that we rode at some point from right there when you first turn in.
Yeah, we need to look into that. I know there's a gas well a few miles out, and you can turn in there.
Huh?
I think if we keep going this way, it'd take us right back to the trailhead and dump us down that steep hill, right?
Yeah, I think
so.
Do that? Yep. Yeah, we can do that.
So yeah, if you go out Campbell's Creek a few miles, and there's like a gas well on your right, and you go through there, that hooks you like right into the system. I have all that. I have all that mapped. Me and Mason did it in our Jeeps.
Okay.